Self-help blog welcomes you all to watch this video about income tax return filing for the financial year 2016-17 and thereafter. We found that many of us who gain from salary, pension or bank interest are not confident enough to file their return electronically. They have sufficient knowledge to operate electronic devices like computer or smartphones, but lack knowledge in some section of income tax deduction, exemption and income tax rebate. So, we are trying to describe some common sections of IT return here. Another point is, if we gain more than 10,000 rupees from investment other than savings bank accounts and forget to submit form 15G as 15H, then bank will deduct income tax at the rate 10% and submit it to IT department against your PAN. In such cases, we can get the refund and submit the IT return in time if it is not taxable.
From this assessment year 2017-18, there are some changes in ITR form, like ITR-2A is not available. Now we can fill ITR-2, and previous ITR-4 is now ITR-3, and at present ITR-4 is previously it was ITR-4S. Now the question is, which ITR should we file for financial year 16-17 and assessment year 2017-18? Here ITR-1 is the basic one, and then ITR-2, ITR-3 and ITR-4 is for individual, ITR-5, 6 and 7 for companies or other. ITR-1 is for income from salary, pension or income from house property and or income from other sources. This is very much using. Now the due date for filing ITR-1 or any income tax return, they have some individual dates. So for ITR-1, the last date for submission is 31/7/2017 and belated return date is 31/3/2018. Now some checklist. Now a checklist for ITR-1 return filing for financial year 2017-18. We need PAN card, Aadhaar number, enrollment ID, mobile number, email address, and income from house property for rented house, or if you take some loan, then interest from loan can deduct it as negative symbol from, you can put it this value using minus symbol, minus and then some value, and the IFSC code of the bank account in India, and the total interest earned as other income. Then under section 80C, some investment like insurance premium, ULIP, else fund, etc. Then under section 80CCC and 80CCD, all are under investment, and maximum 1,50,000 are available under section investment purpose. So if you gain 1,50,000 up to 1,50,000, then it is deductible. And under section 80CCD, another 50,000 we can save. This is called National Pension Scheme. So this is the most important part and then some other sections are there. Under section 80D, medical insurance premium paid for yourself or your family, and under section 80 TTA is for interest of savings bank interest, which is deductible under section 80 TTA, and under section 80E it is for income tax relief for higher education and for your self and spouse or children. And then under section 80G it is for donation to charitable trust. Then another thing is required if you pay some advance tax payment or self-assessment tax payment, this document, and then TDS from certificate, TDS certificate, which is automatically loaded. In case of revised return, so you need the previous return document like acknowledgement number and date, etc. Now I am showing one example here for to fill ITR-1. So if you want to file any return electronically, then we must go to this portal, https income tax e-filing India gov.in. So here in this example require some Aadhaar number, phone number, email ID, then some FD interest, calculate some fixed deposit interest, and with closed FD also for this financial year. It is sum of this two FD is 13,000, and some income from recurring deposit, it is 3,415. So if you go to this income tax India e-filing, then you can use it. If you don't know how to use this, then you can watch this video in YouTube, then it's sufficient to file your return. Now if you want to go to the website, go to Google search engine and type income tax e-filing India, then you can file you can find the page, and then click on this page and go to this income tax India page. This is the website for income tax e-filing. Now here one option is there, register your, if you are a registered ID, if you have an ID, then you can go directly to login, otherwise you can register yourself. It is very easy, like registration of email or Facebook. Now I have the ID, so just click login, then I can type my PAN number, this is the user ID, and then the password, and another is this captcha code. So this password is not displayed, and then the captcha code, if you want to change the captcha code, click on this, and then automatically it will generate a new captcha. So it is not readable now, it is readable. So type the captcha code here. Now click the ID, it is the PAN number. Now after clicking typing this PAN number, automatically it will ask for date of birth. Type date of birth, and password is already there, so click OK, and then log in to your portal. Now see, the timer is moving here. As every 15 minutes it will reset. If you are not activate or save your work. So go to income tax return e-filing. Now automatically the PAN number will come here. Now select the year, assessment year. This is the assessment year. Select assessment year 1718 and ITR form name. It is ITR-1 in our example. Now select prefill address, address of this PAN holder. So you can retrieve data from your previous return, or for new one you can select PAN database. Now select previous return file, or you can use new address if in your case it is new. In our example it is old one. And if you digitally sign, all of us are no, it is required for companies and big firm. Now go to the now it is already loaded. Now first one is instruction, the second one is general information, then all tabs are here: income detail, tax paid and verification. Some amount are already loaded from this server. So here part 1 is general information. So type your PAN number, address, phone number, mobile number, etc. Now go to this type your email address and then some other thing. This is the residential status. If you are resident Indian, then click resident Indian, otherwise NRI, non-resident Indian. And one is original return and another is revised return. So it is original return and this is within the due date. Now income details and etc. Income from salary, it will come from your salary certificate. If you have some income from salary, so they deduct the tax from your income and deposit it. So the point number 6 of your salary certificate, part B, salary certificate 2 part. In part B, point number 6 is your total income. So put your total salaried income from point number 6. Here in our case it is 3,18,000. Now here select this is the salary income and this is house property. And in this example no house property is there, so it is only select, leave it as select. Then if it is self-occupied, select self-occupied. And then income from house property, here if it is loan, then you can put minus, then some interest amount, only interest amount. In our example, in this example, other income is 24,375, and under section 80C it is life insurance plus EPF, Employees Provident Fund. So put all of this value here. So in other income there is Three part one is FD, another is RD, another is 7,828 is savings bank account. So club together and it is 24,000. So put the total other income here. Now it is under section 80C. This is LIC income plus EPF not income, investment. This is the investment for deduction. This is the income tax deduction. Now go to 80 TTA. In this example, 80 TTA is the savings bank interest from savings bank account, and under 80D you can get rebate up to 25,000 for your mediclaim policy or medical insurance policy for your family and self. In this example, no mediclaim policy is there. In this example, 80 TTA is there. So enter this 80 TTA value here. So 7,000 something, 7,828. This is 80 TTA. And already I tell you that 80E is the interest from higher education loan. Another is tax rebate under section 87A for low income group. So this is the tax rebate for financial year 16-17. It is up to 5,000 under section 87A if your total income minus your investment deduction is, if it is less than 3,50,000, then you are eligible for this deduction under section 87A. Now this is tax paid and verification. After filling up all this thing, automatically it will calculate the total TDS. Already TDS means tax deducted at source. So automatically it is uploaded from this server. From the server, this is 1794 TDS already claimed. Then go to upload return. There is another procedure. You can directly enter your return here, page by page, or you can use some utility, Java or Excel utility, and you can upload your return. In our case, already prepared using Java utility, already prepared our ITR-1 and save one XML file. Now I want to upload this XML file here for ITR-1. So go to this upload return and choose ITR-1, and now choose file. This file is already saved in a folder. This is called XML file. So now I am opening this file. So it is under desktop. And so go to this particular folder and select this XML file. The file name is AD. This is XML document. So you can select the document and submit your file. In this file, all are already saved previously. Now submit it, and congratulations, your return has been uploaded successfully, but pending for verification as per Income Tax Act. That means it is already uploaded, but one verification process is there. You can print the form 5 and then sign it and send it by post to the Central Processing Unit, Bangalore. Now it is not required. You can verify your income tax return through this website, or you can log in through your bank and you can verify it. And now Aadhaar is mandatory, so if it is Aadhaar linked, then you can select Aadhaar acknowledgement, and one OTP will send to your Aadhaar linked mobile. And if you receive this OTP, then you can put it here, the OTP, and you can click submit, then automatically it will be verified. But in my case now, the Aadhaar OTP is not received because the mobile number linked with Aadhaar is now not available. So I am I can submit it later, or I can submit it through net banking, EBC through net banking, or through bank account number, or through demat account number, etc., etc. So if anyone is not available, you have enough time to submit it later. So I would like to send IVR, not now, so you can click it here, and this is the step. So after login your bank account, now after that you can submit it also through your online banking system. So the submission is over, and anytime you can verify it. So thank you for watching this video, and share it if you found it useful. Thank you very much.